How to link Photoshop to InDesign for automatic updating. Here are the steps to link Photoshop files to InDesign for automatic updating. 1. In InDesign, go to File Place and select the Photoshop file to place. 2. Check the box for link instead of embedding the image. Click Place. 3. The Photoshop file will now be linked instead of embedded. This means it references the original file rather than importing it. 4. To update changes, simply open the Photoshop source file and edit as usual. 5. Return to InDesign, select the linked image and go to Relink menu option under the Links panel. 6. Select the modified Photoshop file to update the link. Changes made will now show in InDesign. 7. You can also click the yellow warning icon in the Links panel to update modified links. 8. For multiple linked files, hold Command/Control and click the Relink button to patch update links. 9. Disable options like Auto Update Links and Update Links on Saving under Preferences to avoid overwriting. Linking instead of embedding images keeps files separate and allows easy automated updates between Photoshop and InDesign. Keep the linked files in their original location for the linking to work properly.